In this video, we're going to analyze Bunta's quote from Initial D. First, let's watch the scene and then we'll go over the grammar.
来た来た、コーナーが来た。すげえ侵入スピードだ。これはたまらん。横 G が斜め後ろから来る。おっ、バカブンタ、何やってんだ。
いや、ちょっとタバコ吸いたくなった。
やめてくれ。
So today's quote is ちょっとタバコを吸いたくなった。ちょっと Many people know ちょっと means a little bit, such as 日本語がちょっと話せる meaning I can speak a little Japanese. But this ちょっと is used to express the speaker does something casually without much thought or doesn't want to bother explaining something. There's no direct English translation for that, but maybe you can express it with just. For example, ちょっとそこまで行ってくる meaning I'll just go out there. ちょっと聞いただけ meaning just asking. タバコ means cigarette. The particle o is used to indicate the direct object of the following verb. 吸い is the stem of the mass form 吸います usually used with タバコ to mean to smoke. たくなった is the past tense of たくなる。たく comes from たい meaning to want to do something, and なる means to become or to reach a certain state. It follows the stem of a verb mass form, and it means to become or to start wanting to do something. For example, 急にラーメンが食べたくなった meaning suddenly I started craving ramen. ローマの休日を見たらローマに行きたくなった meaning I watched Roman holiday and it made me want to go to Rome. So Bunta let go of the steering wheel because he just started wanting to smoke. So today's quote, ちょっとタバコを吸いたくなった means I just want to smoke or I feel like a smoke. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.